Hi everyone, so here we are right now at Crimson Resort and Spa, Boracay Island in Station 0.
Hi.
And this is the suite with a plunge pool. So we have, what would you call this area, sweetie?
This is the lounge
The
area.
lounge area.
So you get a nice big lounge with a huge TV over there. There's also complimentary water, which is sanitized.
Then we've got an espresso machine.
Coffee pods.
Which are free, by the way.
Yep.
You don't have to pay.
And we have a little bar fridge here.
With a sand meg. I haven't had it yet, but it's free. And what else was in there?
There were a regular Coke, one Coke Zero, and a Sprite. That was free as well.
Yep, free. So what's in here?
This one, you have your complimentary tea
Tea.
and sweeteners.
And the creamer. And the sugar. And cups.
Just your cups.
Cups, okay. So nothing else to show in here?
No. Oh, this one.
Oh yeah, the free
you get
bag.
this for free.
Yeah, and the hat.
And the hat as well.
Alright, awesome.
Yep.
So we'll just come in the room, and here we have another TV, a desk. What's in here? Right, I didn't see that.
Yep. Those. And
So,
and a nice robe.
and
with
thongs. Well,
free thongs.
what do you call them, thongs or
Slippers.
slippers?
And on
We
the
call
side-
them thongs in Australia. So.
Yep.
And safe, torch. And a comfy bed. Which is very comfy, isn't it?
Very comfy. Slept very well last night.
And a phone.
If you look over there, there's a big window where you can see the plunge pool. It's really nice.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And let's go to our bath.
Okay.
We have a nice bathtub.
Haven't used it yet.
We haven't used it yet with conditioners and shampoo.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
And a
Really nice artwork.
really nice artwork. Shower, huge shower, yep,
Yep.
huge. So you've got that one and that one, and wow, it's big. Shampoo and conditioner, bath gel. Okay. Then we've got dental kit, soap, vanity kit, and
Extra towels.
extra hand towels and hair dryer, and a huge mirror. Over here we've got the toilet.
It's a really nice room.
Really big as well. I wish my bathroom at home was this big. So, so we'll go show you the plunge pool right now. I wasn't actually gonna do this video, but I thought when you're spending $500 a night, 500 Australian dollars a night, you kinda should maybe.
It's worth the video.
Yeah, it's worth a video, considering I've done videos of worse hotels. Yeah, but this is by far the most expensive hotel I've been to. So 500 Australian dollars per night. This suite with a plunge pool costed. And this is our second night coming now, so we stayed last night and yeah. How's the stay been, sweetie?
It's pretty nice. The food is also nice, but yeah, it can be quite expensive because if you do in-room dining, they charge a lot,
Yeah.
a couple of tax.
So I'm just gonna show you on this TV. So we're just gonna go down to billing. So anything you spend during your stay here gets put here, and obviously you got to pay when you leave. So what do we got here, sweetie?
We have the room service, dinner, food, and a
Yeah.
couple of tax.
Yeah, so yeah, there's a few taxes here. So food and beverage,
Yeah, that's
what does the VAT mean?
it's value added tax.
Value added tax. So that's 237 pesos.
And then you get service charge.
Service charge.
And then another tax, local tax.
Yeah, local tax for. Okay. Yeah.
And then you have to book your transportation, which is pretty much 1,000 pesos per person.
Yeah.
And then they add 2 different taxes in that one.
Yeah. Transportation. Yeah.
So we have a total of 6,861, and we paid a deposit of 6,000 pesos for 2 nights. So we still have to pay 861 tomorrow.
Yeah. So we'll just go back. Quite a lot of dining options at this hotel. So you've got in-room dining, which is 24/7. Can order food. Azure Beach Club, Mosaic, Saffron. They're all different restaurants in the hotel. So just then obviously you've got TV channels. So plenty of different.
Plays a very private role in relation to peacekeeping. And I'm very glad you mentioned.
We'll just get off that. So we've got plenty of TV channels, international and local. So activities. I haven't actually gone into this. So yeah, it gives you a whole overview of what the hotel has, which is really cool. Any messages, so it'll come on the TV. So yeah, so what do you think of the stay, sweetie?
I think it's pretty good, and the staff here are very helpful, polite, and very nice.
Yeah, they are. It's probably the best service I've ever received at a hotel, ever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the suite with a plunge pool room at Crimson Resort and Spa. And that's it.
See ya.
See ya.